Hello. I am giving you a free cookbook right now. Yes, you heard that right. It's absolutely free for you. Welcome back. Let's talk a bit about weight loss. Fast weight loss may be dangerous to your health. The best weight loss program is to lose weight naturally without depending on any weight loss pill or drug. Before starting a weight loss program, you should know some simple tips to initiate weight loss. The average person gains anywhere from 8 to 10 pounds, especially during the holiday season. During this period, one tends to let himself or herself loose. The end result is gaining a few more pounds than they would want to admit. So, any weight loss diet should be gradual and disciplined, without being radical or extreme. One thing I've learned over the years is how your body is the temple supporting your mind. And if you don't take care of what you eat, and how your body is, it clouds your mind. Soon enough the weight and bad habits start sapping your energy, leaving you with a nasty case of brain fog. Before you know it, your mind is a mess. And you start manifesting some real bad health into your body. Simply because of your clouded mind, ever-tired body. And eating habits dug the channels for bad health to flow into your life. In fact, 80% of the time, how you lose weight depends more on what you eat, and less on how you exercise. Natural weight loss is the best method, and there are some easy daily tips that don't involve any weight loss pill or artificial drugs for a balanced weight loss diet. It's important that at every meal, breakfast included, you eat protein. You should stop eating bread, pasta, and other wheat and flour-based products. By eating unprocessed foods, you are giving your body nutritional fuel. In fact, you should aim at having about 90% of your food comprising of the following: lean protein, raw and/or steamed vegetables and whole grains. Eat fruit, but eat more vegetables. Only have one piece of fruit daily, and only eat the low-sugar, high-fiber fruits like berries, plums, pears, and apples. Avoid fruit juice because it usually has way too much sugar. Have some low-fat nuts with your piece of fruit. You should cut right back on dairy products, especially cow's milk, although you can enjoy small helpings of fat-free and low-sugar yogurt. Alcohol and weight loss do not go hand in hand, so strictly cut back or eliminate alcohol in your diet. Choose vegetables and fruit instead. Use olive oil instead of supermarket vegetable oils like corn, safflower, and sunflower. Where possible, apply olive oil to your food after it's cooked. Ideally, therefore, take up a diet which doesn't make you starve, but burns off the extra fat. Like, for example, I found the keto diet, which I believe can literally make the fat melt off your body. This diet is wildly effective, but things can go wrong if you do not understand or know the right stuff. So instead of explaining it here, I decided to let you have this keto cookbook, which you can access and begin to use right now. This is way better than all those weird workouts which leave you tired out at the end of the day, and all the bizarre diets popping up on the internet which forces you to starve yourself. Grab your copy now. I promised to give it to you, free. Click the link in the description below and gain instant access. And, before you leave, click the like and subscribe button as well. Thank you. Enjoy your day.